Hello, like the hat? I just missed doing a live stream with a friend of mine, and it was going to be about politics, namely the upcoming elections. Well, I missed that by an hour, so I'm going to spend my time instead putting together a video of what I went through to replace my Windows 7 computer. While I was using that computer to edit videos, I pretty much fried the built-in video card. Apparently, using the software to edit videos takes a lot of memory, and it takes a solid, strong computer. Well, so much for that. Anyhow, in this video I'm going to show the new computer I purchased, that I installed, and how to install a computer, a bigger, better computer, without cutting your fingers off. I hope you enjoy it. On the left is the Windows 7 computer. On the right is the new supercomputer. Checking out computers online, of course the first consideration was price. But then I settled down and got busy looking for something that I could expand so it would accommodate all my needs. Then after doing a little research, I realized I better get something with a lot more memory than I was used to, a good size hard drive, and because of a laptop I purchased recently, I was not looking for a computer that runs Windows 11. Windows 11 does not thrill me. Closely now, it's pretty obvious these two computers are not the same size. Could there be a problem putting this in the old computer desk? Oh yeah, there was. While on a job site where we were building a new house, a carpenter introduced me to this oscillating tool. It does a fine job of cutting, and so I decided to pick one up from Harbor Freight. If you remember, the back of the computer has two fans, plus one internally. Anyhow, the problem I had with the computer desk is I had a back on the computer desk, and I had to cut out enough of the back before for the original computer that was in the desk. But if you look at the top, which is on the left hand side, that fan would have been blocked by the wood on the back of the desk. So we break out the tool and get to work. We've got a lot of the wood out of the back now. After measuring, it looks like everything's going to clear. Should be able to get all the heat out of the computer now. So now it's time to install the computer. Keeping my fingers crossed, folks. Well, it's in, it's up, and it's running. The little black box on the right, that happens to be an old style portable hard drive. I have a lot of files on there that I'm going to have to transfer over to the new computer, and it's going to take me about 4 to 5 days to get it to settle down and operate the way I want it to, but overall I'm calling this a win.